Just a few years ago, almost nobody outside the tech industry had ever heard the name OpenAI. It was simply another ambitious startup chasing a bold idea. Today, that same company is reportedly worth around $852 billion, making it one of the most valuable private companies on Earth. To understand how large that number really is, OpenAI is now worth more than many famous corporations that have existed for decades. But unlike those companies, OpenAI has something unusual about it. Despite its enormous valuation, everyday investors still can't buy its stock. There is no ticker symbol, no public offering, and no simple way for retail investors to own a piece of the company. Yet that hasn't stopped major investors from pouring billions into OpenAI, betting that artificial intelligence will reshape the global economy. The company's growth has been extraordinary. In only a few years, OpenAI has expanded faster than many of the biggest technology firms ever did. Reports suggest the business is generating billions in annual revenue, a figure that continues climbing as AI adoption accelerates worldwide. At first glance, it may seem like OpenAI is simply selling software, but that's not really what customers are paying for. What OpenAI actually sells is intelligence on demand, allowing businesses to access powerful problem-solving capabilities at massive scale. Every day, developers use AI to write code, marketers create content, and businesses automate tasks that once required entire teams. Each one of those interactions generates value, and when millions of people use AI simultaneously, that value compounds rapidly. The deeper lesson isn't really about artificial intelligence. It's about leverage, one of the most powerful wealth-building forces in history. Hundreds of years ago, wealth largely came from owning land. The more land you controlled, the greater your economic power. Then came the industrial age, where factories, machines, and production lines created fortunes that transformed entire nations. Later, technology platforms changed everything again, creating trillion-dollar businesses built on software, networks, and digital distribution. Now investors are making an even bigger bet. They believe intelligence itself may become the world's most valuable economic resource. Whether this becomes the next industrial revolution or the next great bubble remains uncertain. But understanding this shift could be one of the most important financial advantages of our generation.